Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Kmart account. In order to create your Kmart account, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. In the very top, you can see your search bar. There you'll have to type in www.kmart.com.au. You'll have to press enter. Now you'll be directed to the home page of Kmart. From here, you can find a lot of options in the top of your screen. You'll have to click on Sign In Up option. From here, you can log in your Kmart account. Since we are creating a new account, you'll have to click on the option that says Join Today. Now here you'll be required to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to enter email address that you have access of. The password should be at least 8 characters. At least one should have lowercase, uppercase, a number and some special characters. After you create your password, you'll have to click on this box. Then you'll have to click on Continue to verify email. A link will be sent in your email address in order to confirm. Now you'll have to open Gmail in your browser. Now as you can see, a verification link is sent to your mail. You'll have to open that mail. Then you'll find Verify My Email Address. You'll have to click on that option. Now as you can see, your email has been verified. You'll have to click on Continue to My Account option. And just like that, you have successfully created your Kmart account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Kmart account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.